Hello, this is Bobby Parks. We're on our first leg of the 2019 VERSATEX Roadshow. This is our first stop. I wanted to take a few minutes and just show you one of our newer lines of product. You know, VERSATEX has made a lot of PVC options, a lot of trim profiles, and they've been making a ceiling board option for quite some time, several years now. But now we have a new series called the Canvas series, which offers some laminate finishes and quite a variety of colors. And although this would traditionally be used on normal porches and remodeling and new home building, really wanted to bring attention to the deck builders out there because there's a lot of watertight decks being built these days using systems like Trex Rain Escapes, which allows a deck to be waterproof so that the patio area below can be utilized. And we have believed that this product is really almost the perfect answer for that, in that, again, it offers you the options that you would get in wood, but in the unlikely event that a leak were to occur under any watertight system, in most cases, if you use beadboard or any other wood, you're going to have some issues, potentially bucking if you use beadboard, rotting over time. But with a product like this, it's really pretty much indestructible. There's just not anything that the water's going to do to it or moisture's going to do to it. So in the worst case, you'd have to find and fix a leak, but you would not have to replace any ceiling board. So again, deck builders, people that are doing watertight decks should be looking at this product as a really good option and something that really will stand the test of time and perform well under almost all conditions.